Hello. So, I never know how to start my video. Hello, welcome. Anyway. I just want to say something. My hair, that was gross. My hair is growing like it's in a higher puff. And if anybody either knows me or any random person subscribed to my channel that doesn't know me, if you've seen my previous videos, my puff was not all the way up there. It was like here, like the band was here, but now I have to push it up because honestly I push it up because the grade of hair in the back of my head is so annoying. Like it doesn't stay as firm, as whatever, like as together as the top of my head does. So low key I just squish it up because I get tired of my hair falling flat. So half my fro is nice and half of it is like laying down. It's retarded. Really though, this video is going to be about me getting some LED lights, and I'm getting a book. You saw another one of my videos, I said reading books is lit. It is. Also, I got this, you can't see now. Hold on. I got this case from something online, and I got this hot pocket. Wow. Pop socket. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I got this pop socket. And now it's too like thick or whatever, LOL, to put on this thing. Like it won't clasp because the like my phone sticks out further than what this will hold. So that's nice. So basically I gotta get something else. The reason I say hold on is because on the iPhone you can't flip the camera as you record. So yeah, this is gonna be several different clips, but you won't know that except for the fact that I just told you. But yeah, that has nothing to do with the rest of this video. Literally the next stuff is going to be probably me in my room with the book and the LED lights. So, oh my god, my package came in. And put wow. And put hands on my ashy. Well, no, let me put lotion on my hands because they're ashy. Yes, okay. I refuse to get played on my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. So, my pants came down. My package came in. I got a book because I love books. It's called Mixed Feelings. Okay, sorry. The clip will be next, but my friend called me, so it's like messed up the video. But basically, I got this book, and it's by akujuobii. Anybody who's watching this and doesn't know who he is, he played on a show called Victorious on Nickelodeon with my favorite artist, Ariana Grande. And yeah, but I didn't buy this because like of her. I literally thought the book was cool. And from what I'm gathering, it's basically about people who come from like mixed backgrounds, or people who just maybe like can identify with struggles of being different outside of the norm, societal norm of like gender, sexuality, race, all that stuff. So I'm interested because I'm Nigerian and American. So I'm black, but I'm mixed still. Technically, like I have American culture I'm familiar with, and I have Nigerian culture I'm familiar with. And I just basically wanted to see what he had to say as somebody who's also of mixed race. So there's that. And then I also got, go away notification. I also got these LED lights. OMG. I just really wanted something different. I watched this YouTuber. Her name's Aslia Williams, and she's younger than me, but she's like real on her stuff. I like her channel because like she works out, yada yada blah. Anyway, I like her, and she got these. I don't know if she didn't get this specific one. Like this is a newer version of the one she got, but my boyfriend has LED lights on his computer thing, and I like the ways her. Let me calm down because I'm actually really excited right now. But I liked the way hers lit up Like what she did, she put them like in the perimeter of her ceiling. So that's where I'm gonna put mine. Pretty excited about that. I'm not about to do this today though, which it's not gonna seem like much of a difference in the video when I edit it because I'm about to go somewhere. But the package came earlier than it had said. It said it was gonna come at 9. It's 5:36, and I definitely got this like 10 minutes ago. So we're hyped. So I just share that, like, because I said I would in the other clip before this in my car. I think that's where I was. So pretty hype about this. I hope I don't mess it up. Cause let me see. There's instructions, but like, who likes those? Yeah. So, oh, that's in Spanish. I didn't fully learn that language. Oh, wow. I mean, I'm not reading all this. I feel like it's probably common sense. I'll just be out of luck then if I mess it up. But I cannot. Because I'm studying for a whole exam right now, and I've been doing a lot of reading. Besides this book, I will not be reading anything else but my study guide. It comes with 2 rounds. And, well, the one I chose. And I believe these are waterproof. Not that I'll have them around any water, but they're waterproof. I'm gonna have to read the instructions because it comes with screws and such. And the way my luck is set up, I will mess up. So there's that. I'll just bypass all my instruction reading so you can just see me install them up top into my ceiling. So I look a little different. I got my hair done. Now I'm about to put up, can you hold up that one? Can you bring me that? The lights, bro. So this is, I think I already showed this, but anyway, over here, I lit some up. So anyway, I'm about to start doing it. My little brother is so excited about helping me. Okay.
Hush, don't speak. When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find no silver linings. I don't mean to judge. When you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to block it. I go la 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 la.
I can't because the thing is plugged into one spot. You move slow any day of the week. Shit's bright as hell. That's what it looks like. I really wanted to get that more like, being how long it is, it definitely could have covered up like the rest, although I really couldn't have got over there, so it's fine. And this, that would have been cool if I could have covered this part, but I really like these, and if they stay up and like continue to work for a long while, I will get some more. So that's pretty much it. Pretty hype about it. Oh wait, let me do a little montage of the color changes. Okay. So that's pretty much it now. I like them. They're pretty cool. Yeah. If these last, like, if they stay up, if the adhesive is good and they don't like die in like a dumb amount of time, then I'll get some. Oh, I'm still adjusting. When they flashed off like that, I was about to say, well, damn, they stopped working. But anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you come back and watch the next video. Bye.